It's been a while, I'd admit. Think 3 months since my last video. I'd give you an excuse, but there isn't. I've just been lazy. We're going to be doing the mkingdom on Tryhackme. This one. So, I've already made the directory in my caddy machine, so let's get right to it. I'm using Ruscan. Ignore. I can't type. I can't type anything right now. Oh good. Why is it so hard for me to type? So we're using Ruscan, like I said, -A to tell Ruscan this is the IP address or the address. Then the -- to tell it I'm going to now be supplying it the nmap options. So -SC for default scripts, -SV for versions, and then -ON to the output the scan to Ruscan, to the file Ruscan. Let that run. Just let it run. Your file limit is very small. Blah, 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 blah. I tried that and it complained it was telling me it's too fast. So there's done. I love Ruscan, they're so quick. So we've got a HTTP server on port 85, running Apache version 2.4.7 on Ubuntu. Let's go have a look at this. 85, wasn't it? 85. Yeah. Okay. Bwahahaha. Pathetic, you'll never learn. But I love learning. Don't have it in something like that. I can't click on anything, say anything. I'm just pulling this this way. I'm just pulling the this is PNG. There's nothing hidden around here. Control U. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my title. Does that match that? Yep. Okay. So I can post options, get all the normal jazz, but there's nowhere I can do anything. Can I just type, "Let me in, please"? Nope. This page seems to be running in the same directory. There's no like /images to put image in. An image is this. So you want this? It's just basic, plain basic, normal HTML. No fancy JavaScript. The basic of basics. CSS, not even in a CSS file. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna go on the whim here. I'm going to say I don't think the web page that I want to be accessing now is visible, and because of that, I think it's hidden somewhere. So I'm gonna make my I want to change my next this one. Nope. This one. There we go. I'll use Ferox Buster. There's only ignore it, you can see I've done this before. My sec list, I'm going to use a sec list, and sec list is here. So it's discovery, right? And then web content. Yeah. Directory. Going for medium. What that? I'm going to pull this tab up a little bit. I'm a fan of yeah, I'm a fan of Ferox Buster. I think it's really fast and the output is really nice. you get the code, the status codes here, the request type, the request, the length, blah blah blah. Same, I think it's the same with GoBus. I've not used GoBus in a while, but one of the things I really like about ForexBus is this. It tells you how far along in that directory it is. But I'm going to stop it here, just because I think it's found the place I want to be. So we see the place we just was right here. It was the /app, and from my experience, there we go. From my experience on CTFs, this is where goodies are. And also in real life, some applications are on the /app directory instead of just the normal basics you'll see on a simple web server running from the directory. So yeah, we have Toad's website. This is my very expensive web app. Oh, it looks expensive. There's mushrooms. They will cost a fortune. Toads, blah 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 blah. Just skimming through this to see if there's any usernames or anything in particular that doesn't look that much. Some text is better than a normal ISBN, I guess. Anything's better than a normal ISBN. Contact us. Can I contact you? I can. I don't own this website, no. This apparently here, wherever this is, I don't know. This is America? I know Trader Joe is American. I don't know where this is, sorry. Email address, blah blah blah. I'm not going to really, I'm not poking at anything like that, I'm just having a little click about. Blog. Okay, we got one blog in what topics? Nothing in gadgets, nothing in movies, nothing in books, nothing in music, something in projects, nothing there, nothing there. This is the only blog. Oh, we've got a username, admin. Let me... it's full screen? I don't want full screen. Can I... No, can you minimise? Easier for me. Can I look up the top? No, I want to look up the top. There we go. Just bring it down to a square. Found user names. Admin. My note taking is going to trigger everybody, but if you look at my CPU usage, I don't want to be using more applications than I need to right now. But if you tune into my streams, I should be doing more CTFs on my streams as well as studying, so you should maybe see my note taking. But you got username. Looks like we can leave a comment. This looks like Lil Mispin. I've got a username. Can I log in anywhere? If I scroll down. Using Concrete. Okay. And there's the login page. I don't know. Press this button, please. I'm gonna Google. Real quick. Reject. Can I? Yep. There you go. Concrete. My dyslexia was on full display right there. Let's have a look at what Concrete 5 is. It's a CMS. We gathered that already. Okay, this is their website. Is there a wiki for a quick description? Look, I just saw exploits, but I don't want to look at that right now. Concrete CMS is designed for ease of use for users with a minimum of technical skills. It enables users to edit site content directly from a page. It provides version management for every page, similar to wiki software. Another type of website development software, Concrete CMS, allows users to edit images through an embedded editor on the page. As of 2021, there are over 62,000 live websites that are built with Concrete CMS. The current Concrete CMS code is based on model view controller architecture and object oriented programming. Some core features are integrated server caching, developer API, or version tracking, system and search engine optimization. We don't really want to look at the history. What is modular view? A nice little diagram there. Modular view controller, or MVC. MVZ is a software design pattern commonly used for developing user interfaces. Now divide. My ear is itchy. That divides the related program logic into 3 interconnected elements. These elements are the module, the view, the module, the internal representation of information, the view, the interface that presents information and accepts it from the user, and the controller, the software linking the two. Okay. Traditionally used for desktop GUIs, this pattern became popular for designing web applications. Popular programming languages have MVC frameworks that facilitate implementation for pattern. Okie dokie. We've just got some straight knowledge. So we know it's running Concrete. We've got an admin username. We've got a lot. I want to quickly look at the. Can you give me the? I'm pressing control U. Can you give me? There we go. Oh, I don't spam 100 now. But I want to look at the HTML, see if there's any passwords in the HTML, because sometimes you'll see a script in scripts or a linking JavaScript file, and they might have the username in plain text, username password just there. So it's always good to look at the HTML. Scrolling through. This looks like the I don't know JavaScript. I should learn it. I know how to read it sort of, but I'm going to college for web development soon, so I've kind of put off learning JavaScript so I don't just sit there bored. Okay, I'm gonna go back up to the top because I think I saw something up here. If I look here, it's telling me the version. Concrete 8.5 expert, lovely. Okay, what does Vuln has got for me? Concrete remote code execution. Reverse shell. Okay. Who make this? Who can I give credit to? I don't know the Vulner's website very well. Isn't this part? Yeah. I'm not gonna try, but shout out to this person for this. Step 1, login as admin, where you have the admin's username, admin. Allow file types. Once you click allow file types, you'll be sent over a list of allow file types. Add PHP. Once saved, now visit file manager and upload a PHP shell, and then yeah. Okay, I get you. Now look at the pictures. Oh, this is just a shell. I'll use web shells for this, but let's try admin. We don't know the password. Is it like a? Is it using a bad password? Admin? No. What about the admin password? Because password is the best password. It looks like it is. Okay. Oh, password is password security. That is what I'm talking about. Here in the UK, they're banning simple passwords like admin or password 123. So that's something. It said allow file types. Okay, here's the allow file types. Let's add PHP. Okay. I'm going to rev shells. What rev shells is it says right here, a reverse shell generator. It's amazing. Again, I'm saying everything's amazing, but it makes everything so simple for me. I want to import. Let's go for the bed. Let's go for the classic 444. I want a PHP script, the Pentest Monkey one. Copy that. I know I can press copy here, but is it still running? Did I forget to? No, I didn't. Okay. I'll clear this. There's only one port I can remember, port 85. Let's call this shell.php. Let's paste that in. I'm gonna pull this down. Go, scroll through it. Everything else like code over, okay? Lovely. Wait a minute. Nothing. 10 dot dot. Yeah. I thought I saw that. It's 10.9223222. Lovely. Probably that is for anyone that's new to Tryhackme CTFs. That is my Tryhackme VPN IP, and it changes all the time. That one's going to this. It said file manager, right? I was completely guessing that this was searching through the settings. Upload files. My computer, please. Home. YouTube. Ignore the script. It's not a script in this video. I'm hoping to make a series of videos on web LLMs, and I can't keep to a script, which is why this video is unscripted. Do I just press enter? Do I click on it? No. Press close. There we go. Let's start the netcat VP. I did quad for it. Ah, damn it. OBS is using quad 4. I need to. Gosh darn it. What did I put it as? 9998. Copy this. Pull this up. I know. Shell. Not PHP. Alright up. Make sure it's not then double. Forgot to read the double dot. Enter. Okay. File manager. Upload this one. This time. When I go to here, I should get a shell. And lovely, we have a shell. Woo! Oh yeah. I on my GitHub retro 23. Okay. Let me just go into GitHub's website and then I have a cheat sheet on my GitHub for. Is it? No. Try 20. What's my GitHub name? Is it me? There we go. Gosh, I forgot my GitHub name. There's a cheat sheet. Got my pinned. You're free to use this, obviously. It's on my GitHub. It's full of all the stuff I do, like the recon, the exploits. But we're looking for this. Okay. It says I'm done updated, but I'm just going to double check. Who am I? Up there. What's your name? No, what? Oh no. What is happening? So it's Ubuntu. Okie dokie. Export. I'm forgetting all the Josie. I'm forgetting all the T or echo. It's dash echo and foreground. Export my terminal. Equals extern. No, I show keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcuts. Gosh, I can't talk and I can't do CTFs. This is the end of me. And I've tried to make it simple layout. I'm use my looking around looking around cheats to look for some SUIDs. Cat's an SUID. What? That's something. Means I can cat anything as a. And it's slash bin. It says not a local bin, not a local binary folder. It's just the system wide. Let me just cancel that. Who else owns that then? Bin cat Toad and Root. Who is on this machine? I kind of forgot about that. So we've got Toad, Mario, and Root. Obviously, I'm not data, but users. Toad, Mario, admin, password, Toad, Mario. Okay. What was I trying to look for? Well, I can cat as Toad. There's my terminal. There it is. So I can cat as Toad. So can I open slash home Toad dot SSH? The SSH wasn't open, was it? So very pointless. Can I open this bash RC? I can, and export password token. Ooh. Let's see if I can decode this base64. Base64 tag D. Okay. I want to copy, please. Is this Toad's password? Did you use the Toad? No. Is it Mario's? Forgetting the switch user. It was Mario's password. Why was Mario's password in Toad's bash RC file? Okay, do I have any pseudo privileges? ID, I can want ID. Pseudo ID. Nope. What can I do with ID? dash dash help. Then only the security context user. Dash Z. Okay. I already know there's no sudo prefix for ID. But just in case you didn't, or you thought, oh look, you can, it's a sudo prefix. It's not, because you can't really do much with ID apart from the obvious things. Let's get. I don't have limpies installed. Damn it! I should have done this for the video. Let's install limpies. No, it's peas. There you go. Yep. Install. Pull you down. Let's go have a look around. Where I'm at the root of the file system. Let's go into my home. Oh, I've got a user. Lovely. Ah. You're in my home directory, aren't you? I am in. Yep. You're in my root, but even my. Can I just copy this to some? I don't want to copy temp. I want to copy text to temp. I can. And there's the use.txt file. Lovely. I don't want to have a clear input. Bash history has been thrown into the void. Nothing really special here. Anything with my downloads? My documents? No. On my desktop? Nothing. Wait, hold on. I just realised, because cat is a set UID owned by both Toad and root, I can't use cat unless I fix it. And to fix it, I'd need permissions over the file to change the SUID. So, do I have, is cat in? No. I mean, is limpies done? Limpies is done. I'm in limpies. Make a Python. Move stuff away from my screen so I can see what I'm typing. http.server. I'm gonna wait on play. Do I have wget? I didn't check this. I do. Wget http 10.9.223.222 limpies.h. There we go. Good. Limpies. And one limpies. Oh, check this. Yes, it's cute. You can kind of, when you've got a syntax highlight on, you can tell it's keyboard, it goes green. Depending on your syntax height, on your colouring scheme, for instance, syntax highlight, of course. Don't need you anymore. Another thing I want to grab is, don't need you. I have the export done. Throw says pie. Spy. And just grab the elf file, please. I forget where you get the L file from on this. Nope. God, I'm forgetting how GitHub works. I forgot where to get. I forgot you get versus Python. Gosh, I look like an amateur. There it is. I want this one. Whoa. The output's very big. Splash. Where's my home? Downloads. Okay. Just in case I need process by. Let's have a little look, shall we? Alright to the top. All the way to the top. Oh, all the way to the top. No, I'm scrolling. I'll just do this. Okay. So Suno version is 1.8.9. The next version is, we know that already. I have a feeling it's going to have trouble counting things because of the set URL. No, this is important. I'm just looking for yellow. Okay. Nothing so far. Okay, yeah, set your ID. No. Yep. The source file there. Counter. Okay, that's an sh. That's a bash file. Or a shell script. Script. Anything important here? Nope. Is that the application file? I can write to set your hosts. Okay. Is there telling file? Okay, we got a password. Toad, I'm guessing that's Toad's password. In the database. The only person I have a password for is Toad. Unless it's Root's password, but I'm gonna go on a whim and say that's Toad's password. Yeah, look, okay. Didn't really get much. Moving in. I didn't check the content, but what I'm gonna do. Process part. $64. Let's look at process part and see what processes are running. Yep. Okay. I have a very squeaky chair. Okay. This is just me. Just wait for something to happen. Any day now. Any day now. YouTube and mkingdom, just to put myself back in my working directory. Nope, I don't want to put ls there, but we have something. So it's curling to mkingdom on port 85 to the counter.sh file. It's a cron job. It's running as root. It's not curling to an IP address, so it's curling to a domain name. That's the web. That domain name in the hard code in the texture hosts. So I have permissions for this. This is. It's got into counter.sh. It doesn't even know what counter.sh does anymore, does it? If I, from here, I mkdi, if I make a directory called app castle app location, and make the counter file. I'll explain what I'm doing in just a second. This is coding to this domain name, which is hard coded here. It's following this path to this bash file. If I can change this, which I know I can, because I'm part. I've got right versions to this, so that's all part of the group. That means instead of pointing to the local host, it will point to me. So it will look at the file path I just made, and it will look at my counter.sh file. If I go to this one, that should be like 889, bash, I'll make this here, make it executable. Because there's pipe into bash as well. Into something called via, but it's piped into bash. So essentially, if I do pwd here, from here, if I start a web server here, like I did before, or not here, from here, and change this, and do some host poisoning or DNS poisoning. I think that's the right term I'm using. Right? When you change the IP in a host, is it host poisoning or DNS poisoning? Someone in the comments can correct me. But if I change that to my IP address, this is run as a process, so when it runs again, it will get pointed to me, it will go through here, then it will run, then it will run this, which will give me a reverse shell onto root. Sounds simple enough. This, I do have right permissions to this, yes? Nice. 10.9 223.222. So that I need to put it on port 85. Okay. We've got a request. Already, but I was not ready for it. The LNVP 9. So we got the request, it was working, it's then pointing to me. Now I need to hope that it runs as bash and I should get a root shell. In day now. Damn it, why don't I start the listener before I first? Oh no, everything would so much quicker. It is on 889, right? Yep. We know the redirect, I just had this worked because we're getting a GET request here. We see the requests of our Python server. It's gone again, and I'm not root. Guess what's gone wrong? I need to import, make this. There is a that is alright. Look at a bit. Run that again. That is like port. I'm out, look! I want this. And it's gone again, and did I spell application wrong? APPLI. Nope. So on my script. Yep. Rookie error. Just that doesn't keep doing this to me. I was looking for the IP address 10.9, not 10.9. There you go. No, oh, this is Rookie Central. This video. I'm gonna quickly stabilize my shell. Export turn to extern. Okay, what I'm gonna do real quick is no, I don't password root. Pass. So choose a root. Pass. Can you stop making? You choose a no. Delete this. Pass. Okay. Pass. There you go. Okay, that's very basic, simple backdoor for myself. Not that I need it, because I can get the root flag here, but it's because cats are set your ID. I was like, wait, what? How can root not have permission? Yeah, I can just less. There you go. That's easy. Simple enough. That's the mkingdom done. I deleted my tab, but you know, it's fine. Just never did you there then. I rooted it. That's all I did. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bit of a long one, almost an hour. But I didn't want to be like, oh, we've done it, let's go straight for it, simple, quick. I wanted to kind of sort of, what's the correct term for this? Yeah. I wanted to show what it might be like to go for the first time. Kind of the process of finding stuff. I mostly wanted to demonstrate Googling why Googling is important in this. Because we started from not knowing what concrete was, and we got some information on what concrete is, and we got the VMC. Concrete. You got information on Concrete 5, like the wiki, which I am. This one, we looked through this, did some googling. We started off not knowing what concrete was, and from quick googling, from quick looking, we learned all about this. We knew what Concrete 5 was. We didn't have a great understanding of it, we didn't have a thorough understanding of it, but we knew just enough. Then we obviously found the expert we used, and then we progressed through it. I did skip Toad. You were meant to find Toad's password first, but when I first threw it, I found Mario's password first. So yeah. Like I said, I hope you learned something new, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.